Let's talk about a bus driver. A bus driver takes people from one place to another. Bus drivers follow a route. They stop at each bus stop to let passengers on and off. Passengers pay a fare to ride the bus. Many buses have an IC card reader. Passengers can tap their card or phone to pay. Bus drivers have a special license. They need to know the traffic rules very well. Some bus drivers start work early. Some drive night buses that travel late. A bus driver is responsible for safety. They must drive carefully at all times. Bus drivers announce the next stop. Buses also have recorded announcements. Some buses are local and make many stops. Some are express buses that travel a long way quickly. Tour buses take people to popular places. A tour guide often travels with the bus. Bus drivers must stay focused and alert at all times. Being tired and driving is dangerous. When the bus is crowded, drivers ask passengers to move to the back. Bus drivers check the bus for any problems. Taking care of the bus is part of the job. Bus drivers help people get where they need to go. It is a quiet but very important job.